Hi friends. Here are 50 multiple choice questions, MCQs, with answers on Chapter 17 Special Proceedings, Sections 116 to 120, of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. 1. Section 116 of the CPC deals with. Answer. A. Special procedures for certain types of suits. 2. Special proceedings under Section 116 are generally related to. Answer. C. Matters related to elections. 3. Under Section 116, a special procedure applies to. Answer. B. Election petitions. 4. The provisions of Section 116 apply to. Answer. B. Specific types of suits as prescribed. 5. The special procedure under Section 116 is applicable in which of the following cases? Answer. B. Election petitions. 6. The procedure for election petitions is outlined in. Answer. B. Section 116. 7. An election petition must be filed within a specific time limit under Section 116, which is. Answer. B. 30 days. 8. Section 116, 1, provides that an election petition must be presented to. Answer. A. The High Court. 9. Under Section 116, the validity of an election can be challenged on the ground of A. Illegal votes. B. Corruption or bribery during the election process. C. Non-compliance with election laws. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 10. Election petitions filed under Section 116 must be. Answer. C. Supported by an affidavit. 11. An election petition under Section 116 can challenge A. The outcome of an election. B. The fairness of election procedures. C. The eligibility of a candidate. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 12. The High Court has the power to A. Determine the validity of elections. B. Declare an election void. C. Order a fresh election. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 13. Under Section 116, 2, if an election petition is dismissed. Answer. B. The petitioner must pay legal costs. 14. Section 116, 3, specifies the conditions for. Answer. A. Challenging the results of an election. 15. Section 116 also includes provisions for. Answer. B. Appointment of a special judge to hear election petitions. 16. Section 117 of the CPC deals with. Answer. D. None of the above. 17. Section 118 deals with the procedure for. Answer. D. Special actions in election cases. 18. Under Section 120, the CPC outlines the procedure for. Answer. D. Supplementary proceedings to the main suit. 19. The main objective of special proceedings under Section 116 is to. Answer. A. Expedite the resolution of election-related disputes. 20. Under Section 116, the High Court has the discretion to. Answer. C. Declare an election void. 21. The procedure under Section 116 is specifically designed for. Answer. C. Election petitions. 22. An election petition filed under Section 116 should include A. Names of all candidates. B. Details about the election process. C. Reasons why the election should be void. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 23. Special proceedings under Section 116 are intended to A. Speed up election-related disputes. B. Ensure that elections are free and fair. C. Prevent election malpractices. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 24. The validity of an election petition can be determined based on A. The evidence of illegal votes. B. Claims of corruption or bribery. C. Non-compliance with election laws. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 25. An election petition under Section 116 must specify A. The nature of the corruption. B. The electoral candidate involved. C. The facts that led to the election dispute. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 26. Under Section 116, if an election petition is successful. Answer. C. A fresh election may be ordered. 27. Section 116 aims to. Answer. B. Ensure fairness in elections. 28. Under Section 116, the outcome of an election petition can be appealed to. Answer. A. The Supreme Court. 29. An election petition filed under Section 116 can challenge. Answer. C. Both the election process and the result. 30. Under Section 116, the court can A. Only declare the election void. B. Impose penalties on the candidates involved. C. Declare the winner of the election. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 31. A special procedure is provided for election-related disputes under which section of the CPC? Answer. A. Section 116. 32. A petitioner must prove which of the following to successfully challenge an election? A. That they were a candidate in the election. B. That the election process was unfair or illegal. C. That they have evidence of bribery. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 33. Section 116 provides for the filing of an election petition within how many days? Answer. B. 30 days. 34. Under Section 116, the High Court has the authority to A. Overturn election results. B. Call for a re-election. C. Award damages to the petitioner. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 35. Section 116 specifies that election petitions can be filed in. Answer. B. The High Court. 36. An election petition under Section 116 must be filed within. Answer. B. 30 days of the election. 37. The High Court in an election petition under Section 116 has the power to A. Order fresh elections. B. Declare the election void. C. Disqualify candidates. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 38. In case of disputes regarding election results, the court under Section 116 can A. Order a recount. B. Declare the results invalid. C. Call for a fresh election. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 39. Special proceedings under Section 116 are required to be completed. Answer. B. Within 3 months from filing. 40. Section 116 applies to Answer. B. All elections at various levels. 41. The result of an election petition under Section 116 can lead to. Answer. A change in the result of the election. 42. The specific time limit for filing an election petition under Section 116 is. Answer. 30 days. 43. If an election petition is unsuccessful, the petitioner. Answer. B. Is required to pay costs. 44. Under Section 116, an election petition must be based on. A. Evidence of fraudulent votes. B. Allegations of unlawful interference. C. Both A and B. D. Allegations of violence. Answer. C. Both A and B. 45. The High Court may appoint a special judge for election petitions under. Answer. A. Section 116. 46. Election petitions under Section 116 are heard. Answer. B. By a single judge. 47. If a candidate is found guilty of election malpractice under Section 116, the result can be. A. Changed. B. Disqualified. C. Cancelled. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 48. The court under Section 116 can. A. Cancel election results. B. Order a recount. C. Set aside illegal votes. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 49. The purpose of Section 116 is to ensure. A. Free and fair elections. B. Proper election procedures. C. Transparent voting processes. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 50. Special proceedings under Section 116 aim to. A. Provide an expedited process for election-related disputes. B. Ensure transparency in the electoral process. C. Allow voters to challenge election results. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. These questions provide an overview of Chapter 17 Special Proceedings, Sections 116 to 120, of the CPC 1908. I hope this effort will help you. Good luck.